This 2024 Cadillac XT5 is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Cadillac is powered by OIN all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, turbocharged gas i4 2.0L engine, and has 337 miles. Experience luxury and performance in our 2024 Cadillac XT5. Drive it today. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.